Alright guys, go to Google and type in mural.co and click on the first link. It will take you to a website that looks like this. Right, so it says let's transform teamwork. So we're going to look at this website and see what they have to offer for us today, and you can see they've got a lot of things going on, and you could go through that on your own and take your time and see what they are really into and understand their process. But we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom again, and you can see the careers tab. It says hiring, so when you click on careers, it's going to take you to another page as usual, and you're going to click on see open roles. Now the good thing with Mural is that, they have a global team, right? And they are expanding and growing fast, and their reviews are pretty good. I've checked them out on Google. You could do it for yourself, right? And they've got a lot of roles for remote positions, and most of these are for different countries, and a major chunk of them are for the US, the UK, and stuff like that. But there are job opportunities for countries like Argentina and different countries apart from the world. Right now, if you look at this, they've got an account development representative. Sales, it's a remote job for someone who is from Spain. So if you're in Spain, you have a remote job already fixed for you, and you need to know your software accounting. Right now, likewise, if you scroll down, you could see there's so many different options. You've got like billing associate for Argentina, you've got business operations associate analyst for US, and again it's remote. Right now you keep going down, and there's so many. You've got customer success architect for Germany, customer success architect for US again, right? And there's so many. There's some for the Netherlands, there's some for the UK. Now if you click on this job, it's going to take you to another page, and you could see they have a description of the job that's right here. So basically you manage and respond to customer requests, understand the customers, and become their advocate. Right, so pretty easy. Right now you collaborate with the product team on how to improve the product, collaborate with customer success on education programs, and you have what they need right now, your profile. So you need a fluency in spoken and written English, and if you have an added language, that's a benefit again. Right, so pretty easy, and they offer you a lot of benefits as well. Right, so you can see competitive salary. Now this is something for US only, but you've got company equity, health insurance, you've got a fully remote team, parental leave, end of the year closure, right? So a lot of design thinking, training, a lot of stuff's going on, and this is a pretty good place to work with because they seem really, really professional, and they've got a lot of roles that's open all the time. You could see there's so many roles, right? You've got a front-end engineer, and even that's a remote job as well. So all these jobs are totally remote. This you could be anywhere because it's just mentioned remote, and there's no country attached to it. So you could see on the left hand side they have a column that says filter by team, and if you look at that, you could see the kind of jobs you have here. Like there's marketing and partnerships and stuff like that. Now if you click on marketing, you could see they've got so many other designations for marketing as well, right? So they've got stuff in sales, they've got stuff for those of you who want an entry level like an executive and stuff like that, right? And customer support, customer success, there's so many different things, right? And they've also got community jobs, and you just go and see what suits you and what is best for that, and then you could go ahead and give this a shot. So this is a fairly good place to work in. It's called Mural, and go to their careers page and just give it a shot, and I hope that you all land a job soon if you're looking for one, or you could probably help your friends or relatives or anybody who really needs a job. I hope all of you are staying safe in these difficult times, and I hope you all are doing well. So until then, I would see you all again in the next video.